The perfect blend of power, precision, and speed and digital convenience. The Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5 Quart Digital Stand Mixer. Equipped with a high-performance 500-watt motor, this digital stand mixer powers through even the heaviest of mixing jobs. With its large 5.5 quart capacity bowl, 12 speed settings, 3 programmed recipe functions, which includes 7 tasks. It all starts with the turn of the digital LED dial to start creating in the kitchen. With a dough hook, set the stand mixer to create delicious homemade breads and pizza easily as the pre-programmed function does the mixing and kneading for you. Attach the flat mixing paddle and turn the dial to the mixing setting. First, add your dry ingredients and turn the dial to dry ingredient mixing. Once the countdown timer on the LED dial is complete, set dry ingredients aside to reserve. Add your wet ingredients and turn the LED dial to creaming. Add your dry ingredients to continue the mixing process. The automatic pre-programmed countdown timer will beep once mixing is complete. Use the chef's whisk attachment and pre-program the unit to the whisking function to create creamy, homemade whipped cream in minutes. Attach the splash guard with pour spout for maximum versatility and minimal mess. Use the manual mode to customize your desired speed settings. Die-cast housing provides superior durability and commercial-style mixing for today's everyday kitchen. The tilt-back head allows easy access to the mixing bowl, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5 Quart Digital Stand Mixer.